How to adjust video footage or video in Capcut Mobile completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
You have your video clip selected and highlighted. You can see it selected and highlighted. There's multiple ways that you can adjust your video. Click and pinch on your video clip. In case I'm pinching inwards and our video is actually zooming in. You can drag down and adjust your video. You drag up to the right, etc. Step is once it's still selected and highlighted, scroll to the right. I'm going to find and locate the option which says basic. You have 3 different options to adjust your video. The position, scroll to the left, to the right, and adjust the position of your video. Adjust the scale by doing the same thing, and you even see the certain percentage down below on the bottom right hand screen. Still adjust your video accordingly, and you can even rotate your video. Happy and satisfied, you can click the check mark. Assuming if you want this to scale in or to adjust, you can add a keyframe by this diamond icon. I'm going to scroll, let's say right here, another keyframe. I'm basically going to pinch out video clip. Now, as you can see, you have successfully also adjusted your video using keyframes in Capcut Mobile completely for free.